What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video, an update on the 1957 Chevy Nomad by Atlantis. So in this video, we're going to be getting into the glass. We're going to be gluing that onto the body. Out here, what we have laid out is our tapes. These are all Tamiya from 18, 10, and 6 millimeter. We also have our Micro Kristal Klear that we're going to be using to glue down the glass. We also have this flexi-file tool right here. It's the CA applicator. The part number, I believe it's 805, I want to say. But this tool here, you use this a lot, you know, for CA glue, but you could also use it for this. And, you know, I had it tucked away, pulled it out. I was like, there it is, gonna use it. So we got the glass, everything's already all polished up. I just have it chilling here on this, you know, little shop towel. And then over here we have the model. So as you can see, the model, we have it in the in this plastic bag. It's just a regular like sandwich bag, you know. And you know, because I put it in the box and I don't want to leave it out, so I'm like, you know what, let me get these sandwich bags. I keep like a little box here in the garage, so we just kind of just loosely just kind of lay it on there like that, and then we just put it away along with all the other parts, you know. And then when I'm ready, bust it out. So we're going to be getting into that. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing a mock-up on this. We're going to be getting each glass and focus on, you know, placing it inside and seeing how it fits. Seeing, okay, I believe this is a spot right here, the sweet spot. Cool. Put it down. Then we're going to start getting our small pieces of tape, laying that down. Once that section is like set, we're going to go ahead and move on to the other and to the other. And once they're all pretty much set in place, then we're going to be coming in and we're going to start applying our glue in there. Small amounts of glue, not a lot, just small amounts of glue, because the small amounts, this stuff will dry a lot faster. If I put a lot of glue, it's going to look messy. Yeah, it's going to dry clear. We might not be able to see it, but the thing is, you got to be careful. I don't want this stuff to, like, you know, end up going up and then you see it, you know. So we got to put a little bit in there. And then once we're done with that, we're going to let that dry overnight. I'm not going to do anything else. This is all I'm focusing on right now. It's just this. So tomorrow, once I see, okay, it's all glued, everything is good, all right, we'll move on to the next thing. So just stay tuned right now. All right, so here we are. We've been putting in that work. We got the glass installed in the front. We also have the side, the back, and the other side. Let me flip it inside or upside down so you guys can see the inside right here. Check it out. That's all the Tamiya tape holding it down. So I'm going to find the areas to apply the glue, the Kristal Klear, and small amounts in little areas. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and let that dry overnight right there. All right, so here we are. We already went ahead and added the glue, small amounts around the edges, and we worked one window at a time. We did the back, the side, and then the front. And we also added more tape in there as well, just to hold everything down right there, just to secure, because sometimes they do tend to shift. We also remembered to add the small little windows right there for the doors as well. Those are being held right now, these ones right here. So yeah, very excited. So once this is all dry and everything, you know, we're going to go ahead and keep moving forward on the next parts of this build. And this is all going to come together. So I'm very happy. I hope you guys have been enjoying this build right here. It's been a lot of fun, and we'll see. We'll see when we get it done this month. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Take care. And also, shout outs to the homie Paul over at Left Coast Motorcar Builds. Check out his channel. He's here on YouTube. I'm enjoying my coffee right now as I'm working on this build right now. All right, guys. Peace out. Later.